Hello everyone, I'm Shivam Pasari and welcome to ASN Academy. So as you can see from the title of this video, in this video we'll solve another question on the topic of functions, and the question has appeared in the XAT 2019 exam. Now the question is as follows. Consider the function fx is equal to x plus 4 into x plus 6 into x plus 8 all the way up to x plus 98. The number of integers x for which fx is less than 0 is. Now we are provided for options for this question. Option A 49, option B 48, option C 23 and option D 24. So this was our question on the topic of functions, and I would like you to try this question first by yourself and then come to this video for the solution. I hope that I've tried the question and you've got the solution, and if you didn't, then let's check the solution. So according to our given question, we are given fx such that fx is equal to x plus 4 into x plus 6 into x plus 8 all the way up to x plus 98. So this is our given function fx, and we have to find the number of integers x such that fx is less than 0. Now we can divide integers into portions, one that are positive and second that are negative. Now if we put any positive integer in fx, the result will be greater than 0. Now the reason behind it is that all the numbers in these brackets are positive. So if we add any number which is positive and we'll take the product of them, it will always be greater than 0. So all positive integers will give a result greater than 0. So in our answer, there will be no positive integer. Now let's take the first negative integer, that is minus 1. Or let's say we put minus 1 in all the brackets, then the first bracket is equal to 3, second 5, third 7 and last will be 97. So we can see that the numbers are increasing and all of them are positive. So their product will never be negative. So minus 1 is not our solution. Now we'll move to minus 2. Now if we put minus 2 as well, the solution is positive. So we'll not take minus 2 as well. Same for minus 3, and when we put minus 4, the result is 0, but we have to take fx less than 0. So we can remove minus 4 from our solution. Now let's say we put minus 5. Now when we put minus 5 in all the brackets, we'll get minus 1 in our first bracket, 1 in our second bracket, 3 in our third bracket, and 93 in our last bracket. Now when we take product of all these numbers, our answer is negative because we have only one negative quantity but other quantities are positive, and taking a product of such number series is always less than 0. So our first answer is minus 5. Now to calculate the other solution, we just have to keep putting the values and we'll track a pattern. Now when we put minus 6, the answer is 0 because on putting minus 6 we'll get 0 in the second bracket. So minus 6 is also not our solution. Same for minus 7. When we put minus 7, the first bracket is negative, the second bracket is negative, but from third bracket, the answer is positive. So basically the effect of negative is nullified. So minus 7 is also not a solution, and minus 8 is also not a solution because when we put minus 8, the third bracket is 0. So basically the answer is 0. So minus 8 is also not a solution. But when we put minus 9, we can say that our first bracket is negative, second bracket is negative, third bracket is also negative, but all the brackets after the third bracket is positive. So we have got 3 negative numbers and all the remaining numbers are positive. So our total answer must definitely be negative. So our second solution, minus 9. So we have got the pattern, that is after every alternate bracket we are getting a negative solution. So basically we have to calculate the number of brackets in fx and divide it by 2 to get our answer. Now we can pre-assume that the number of brackets in fx is even, because if the number of brackets in fx would have been odd, we would have got infinite number of solutions. So we can assume that the number of brackets in fx is even. So let's calculate the number of brackets in fx. Now we can see that this number pattern is an AP because a is 4, then we have got 6, then 8, and then we are going up to 98 with an increment of 2 only. So we can use the formula for number of terms in an AP, that is equal to n equal to L minus A by D plus 1, where L is the last term, A is the first term, D is the common difference. So we have got n as 98 minus 4 by 2 plus 1, that is equal to 48 upon calculation. Now our answer was the total number of brackets divided by 2. So 48 by 2 is simply equal to 24. So according to our given question, 24 integers will give a result of fx less than 0, and that is equal to option number D. So final answer is option number D, 24. That was all for this video, and I hope that you understood all the topics covered in this video. And if you have any doubt, then you can post your doubts down in the comment section, or you can send your doubts to us to our channel's official Instagram or Facebook page, and we will surely solve your doubt as soon as possible. Or you can go to the official website of ACN Academy and you can send your doubts to us from there, and all the links are provided down in the description. And if you did like the video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel ACN Academy.